Hi, this is Jordan Fisher. I'm the principal and managing broker of Good Bones Properties, and today I'm here with Diana Castro of Legacy Lending to talk about lending, get a pre-approved for a mortgage. So why should someone get pre-approved for a mortgage? Why is it so important?
The reason it's so important to get pre-approved is that it'll make the process once you find a home a lot easier and a lot less stressful. And you can basically take care of any issues that there are up front instead of being in panic mode during the transaction. So it can be seemingly even little things that people don't think about that you're going to need. For example, a social security card. Everybody thinks they have their social security card at home or in a safety deposit box. But then when we need it, there's a lot of people that don't have it, and it can take weeks to get it through the Social Security Administration office. So
Right.
if you're dealing with all that type of stuff up front, then you're not going to be stressed during your transaction.
So how do you get pre-approved? They just give you a call and then...
Yeah, they just give me a call, and then I just ask for, some basic information like pay stubs, tax returns, social security cards, copy of driver's license, and a copy of bank statements, and that's really it. And then with that, I can help them figure out, where they are credit-wise, where they are in terms of their current monthly debt payments, how much of a house they can qualify for, what programs are eligible for, and what their payments will be. And then also if there's any government assistance programs that they can use in combination with their loan.
Okay, good. And I know it also makes someone a lot more competitive when you go to make an offer on a house, that you're already pre-approved, right? Not pre-qualified, pre-approved.
Absolutely, and that's one of the things that we do is we actually take our clients to the next level of not just getting them pre-qualified, but pre-approved, meaning the lender has already given credit approval that they can buy a property up to X amount, and it can make closing a transaction much easier. And quicker. So like
Right.
you're saying, it can make them more competitive when they're putting an offer in, because now they can close, for example, in 20 days instead of 30 or 40 or 45 days.
Right. And the lending environment, let's face it, is a mess,
Oh.
and it's difficult, right? So
Yes.
anything a buyer can do is to get pre-approved, pre-qualified, right? So they're more competitive when they make an offer. Transactions can happen quicker. Is only going to help them in their transaction.
Exactly, and there'll be a lot less stress, and they shouldn't be surprised when a lender starts asking for, all kinds of nitpicking, documents or explanations. That's just kind of the environment, we're in. We actually kind of joke that the next step is they're going to require borrowers to give DNA samples and get neighbor affidavits proving they really live where they say they live and all these things, because it really has gotten a little bit cumbersome for some folks.
Good. So make sure you use someone like Diana, because it does matter who you use. It does matter. At the end, you want to get the home that you want, right? You don't want to have any problems. You want to move quickly and have a competitive offer, so it's very important to use someone